Welcome to Awesome Learning. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Why? Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose when it gets irritated by foreign matter such as dirt, pollen, smoke, or dust. When your nose becomes irritated or tickled, it sends an electric signal to your brain, which in return signals to your body that it's time for a sneeze. A sneeze is one of your body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs. Thank you for learning with us.